Hi everybody, so I wanted to do a semi-quick flip-through video of my Pocket FoxyFix Traveler's Notebook. If you haven't seen my unboxing videos and my setup videos, you can please feel free to watch it. I'll probably link it somewhere in the video, or you can just go through my channel. So this is, as I said, a FoxyFix in the pocket size, so a field note size Traveler's Notebook. This is Boss Babe in Moonlit. And these pocket sizes are supposed to fit for notebooks or for uh, inserts. However, I managed to squeeze in a fifth one with the use of the extra band that was provided with this. Also, if anybody, I mean, I'm not sure if this is an issue for anybody, but obviously there's like a little bit of ghosting here because I filled out my inserts too much. I'm not sure if I want to take out the fifth one because this line is starting to bother me, but I mean, I don't mind it too much, but if that's normal. I've seen a few videos where people's notebooks have been stuffed to the brim and there are no marks here, but it could be there's still leather. I don't know. But anyways, so right when you open it up, I have this adhesive pocket from Target Dollar Spot. This die cut I just received in my Happy Mail from the Coffee Monsters Co. I just have a few stickers from Little Miss Peteroo, just like little functional things here. A journaling card with my current favorite quote, which is, "A comfort zone is a beautiful place, but nothing ever grows there." And I have this page marker slash note thing that I purchased from Daiso. So it works as a page marker, so it has a little slit here where you can just kind of stick it just in case. Like most of the time I just write little notes, which I have one right here. Or you can just fold it and it creates like a little tab thing, but yeah. If you do have a Daiso near you, I would highly recommend it. They have a lot of cute stationery items, washi tapes, notepads, things like that. So on the very front is this sticker pocket that I made myself. This is using scrapbook paper, my laminator, and a vellum envelope that I got from purchasing my mattress. It came with the mattress, so I kind of cut it up and then created a little pocket for it. I put down a few sticky notes from Once More with Love. This is the full size one. I didn't want the Traveler's Notebook to stick too much or to be too stuffed, so I just took out a few pages and just stuck it onto my sticker pocket. Inside here are mainly just functional stickers. I don't like, I mean, most of the time I plan at home, but on the off chance that I am out and about and I don't have anything else to do, I want to be able to jot things down with my functional stickers and stick them on there. So I'll have a few things. Most of these are ones I can just write on, like little tabs and little peekaboo munchkins from Once More with Love, laptop stickers, and things like that. I do have just like a sticker book for all of my other decorative stickers, so this is pretty much it. But yeah, I learned how to do this via Princessa Plans on Instagram. I'll link down to her Instagram handle or page account below. But I'm gonna move this out of the way. This dashboard I purchased from the Coffee Monsters Co. Like I said, I also did a setup video, but because I'm doing a flip through, that really doesn't really matter right now. First tab, I have it paper clipped, so once I open it, it just goes straight to the monthly insert. Just a bunch of birthdays, events, marked down movies I'm going to watch, or movies that I'm excited about. Next one, I got this die cut from the Coffee Monsters Co., which I could just kind of just stuck onto this dashboard insert thing. This is my weekly, so I've only been using this for about 2 weeks so far, so this is last week. It's pretty simple. I mean, I'm not going all out like I said, so this is just to-do lists, and I think today was the first, or yesterday was the first time that I started kind of memory keeping in a sense. I haven't done that in a while, so I thought that was cute. I'm using stickers from Stick With Me shop here, and this is all the Coffee Monsters Co. So for these inserts, they're super functional. So what I've done is I just take a Crayola super tip marker and then just kind of swipe it here. So I have April, and then just make little marks here for the date. I mean, I guess you could buy purchase stickers, but I feel like this is a lot more flexible in terms of what kind of color you want for the layout. With this insert, this was a bean card that came with my Coffee Monsters Co. purchase, but I turned it into a dashboard instead, and then, yeah. This is just a bunch of lists. So, how I have this set up, this is also from the 1407 planners, is I have a sticker, and this is like my reading list. I'm probably going to write more. I left this whole thing blank because I knew that I was going to want to write down more books. YouTube video ideas. I have a little emoji here. Blog ideas. And then I have a Stick With Me shop sticker for things I want to purchase. I haven't really set up anything yet. I mean, once I remember, then I'll write it down, but otherwise I don't really have like a running list of things that are pertinent or anything. And then this one is spending. I'm not going to show you, but this is what it looks like on the inside. Just for a quick like hand lettering, I kind of just do what I did for the month of April and do my hand lettering and then create a drop shadow using a black pen. And then I created this last insert using a scrapbook paper from Michaels and this printer paper that was, I think it was, I'm not sure the weight, but it was a lot heavier than normal printer paper, so it's kind of like cardstock, I guess. But I created this insert because I was going to purchase one, but I figured it was a lot cheaper to just create my own. So here, I'm going to, I haven't done it yet, but I'm going to write down my passwords for my online accounts because I always forget it and end up having to reset it. And then this is just mainly reserved for notes, quick things I want to jot down. And like I said, this usually holds 4 inserts. However, I used the extra band that was provided with the FoxyFix to attach this last insert right here to the second one. So I'm not sure if you're able to see it, but there's like a band running from here all the way to here. And then, of course, if I wanted to add one more insert, I have an extra one right here, which I'm not going to do because at the moment this one is already super full. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. I'm most likely going to do an update video once I'm more settled into my traveler's notebook and have a actual system kind of set up. I mean, right now it's pretty simple, so yeah. For the sticker pockets, you definitely could use these as a page marker. However, I was experimenting at the time, so I didn't even think about laminating a little thing or like a bookmark right here so that it would stick out when I close it. So right now I'm just kind of paper clipping it to the front of my dashboard, which works either way because I mean, it's whatever. I mean, I also can just stick it in one of these things and it'll close just as easily, but yeah. I guess that's it. Please let me know what you think, and thank you so much for watching.